Hey day. The wind's blowing so hard up here that the car's rocking, but it's still absolutely gorgeous. I've come on today to Stanage in Derbyshire. It's not far from Hathersage. The reason I've come here, a little car park that I'm parked in now, there's 3 really nice areas that you can take photographs from within about 100 yards of where I'm sat now. One of them, you can actually take it from the car and it's still a stunning view. Now there are times when you might not have the time to be able to go for a long walk, or the inclination for that matter. There could be times when you can't do. Anybody who's got mobility problems. So just recently I've been looking for areas where you can park and take photographs within a couple of 100 yards of really easy walking to get there. I'll get all the gear together. Hopefully this wind will not blow the camera and me into the middle of next week, and we'll see how we go. Windy out there. That was very windy. I thought at one point we're going to have to abandon it. The tripod went over. Luckily nothing was on it, so we're fine with that. Okay, let's have a look on the back of the camera. So let's have a look, see if we've got anything. Really nice sky detail. Don't know if you can see that. Oh, that was nice. Really welcome after that wind and bad weather. So I'm gonna make a move. I think I'm going to go across to Surprise View car park. It's about a 10-minute drive from here, not too far away really. It's another place where you can get a couple of decent shots actually from the car park itself. So head across there and see how we go. Just pulled off on the side of the road on way over to Surprise View. Really spectacular view over my right shoulder of the Iron Age hill fort at Wark. The rain was coming across. It just looked spectacular. So grabbed a few shots just from inside the car. It's way too windy to get out. Auto bracketed at one stop between each one, so hopefully I should have got a pretty decent shot. Just have a quick look on the back to see what we did actually get. Don't know if you can see that one. inspecting the car park at Surprise View. We've got the silver birchwood in front of us. I've seen that in quite a few YouTube videos over the years. So even just sat in the car here now, we've got quite a few different pictures you could take. We've got the rocks there. There's a foreground interest. We've got the trees at the back. Little gate there. And then as we come round, we've got a couple of trees, more fences round it, and then across you can drop down into the gorge at Padley. Pretty good car park. Only problem today is the ice cream man is not here. I photographed this stand of trees earlier this year. It was quite a still day when I did it, but still plenty of clouds about. There's a little millstone sticking up just in front, which makes a fantastic foreground interest. And we are literally in the car park. When I took this shot before, I reversed the car in, lifted the tailgate up, and actually used the tailgate as a camera support. There's no reason why you can't take decent shots. You don't have to walk halfway across England. Well, that's me done for today. If you've enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button. Leave me any comments down below. Anything that you can think I can improve on. Any comments at all would be really appreciated. All the locations that I've been to, I will put down in the description, and I'll leave a link through to Google Maps for all the areas. Then if you want to go and have a look yourselves, you can do. So, till next time, stay safe and take some decent shots.